Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're driving the final miles of Interstate 89 in New Hampshire, beginning at mile 27 in the town of Sutton, Merrimack County. We're in a construction zone which had the last exit we passed closed and seems to extend to the rest area ahead, which has a sign that says closed for the season. I'm not sure what season they were referring to since it was just the second week of August when we filmed this. We enter the town of Warner with a population of 2,937 as of the 2020 census. The town of Warner is home to Magdalen College of the Liberal Arts, Rollins State Park, and Mount Kearsarge State Forest. Its main village, Warner, had a population of 453 according to the 2020 census and is recognized as a census-designated place. In addition to the village, the town also includes the communities of Davisville, Lower Village, Melvin Mills, and Waterloo. Each year in October, Warner holds its annual Fall Foliage Festival during Columbus Day weekend. This event draws thousands of visitors from across New England and beyond. Warner is served by Exit 9, which also provides access to the more distant town of Bradford and State Route 103. Exit 7 provides access to State Route 103 in the unincorporated community of Davisville in the village of Contoocook. We enter the town of Hopkinton with a population of 5,914 as of the 2020 census. Momentarily, we'll be in the village of Contoocook, which is the business hub of the town. The village, named after the Contoocook River, is known for its thriving small businesses, efforts to preserve historical landmarks, and strong community involvement. It also offers various recreational activities that add to its charm and appeal. The town of Hopkinton is home to the Hopkinton State Fair, which is located near the village of Contoocook. The village is also known for the historic Contoocook Railroad Depot and the Contoocook Railroad Bridge, which holds the distinction of being the oldest covered railroad bridge in the United States. Exit 6 connects I-89 to US Highway 202 and State Route 9. This is one of several exits that serves Hopkinton as well as the town of Henniker. Here we enter the city limits of Concord, the capital city of New Hampshire. With a population of 43,976, Concord is the third most populous city in the state. The population may seem low for a state capital, but it's the 10th least populous capital city in the United States. Concord, located entirely within the Merrimack River watershed, is centered around the river. As of 2020, the city's largest employer was the state of New Hampshire, while the largest private employer was Concord Hospital. The city is also home to several educational institutions, including the University of New Hampshire School of Law, the state's only law school, St. Paul's School, a private preparatory school, and HTI, a two-year community college, as well as the New Hampshire Police Academy and Fire Academy. Concord's Old North Cemetery is the burial site of Franklin Pierce, the 14th President of the United States. The city is served by two major interstate highways, I-89 and I-93, and has general aviation services at Concord Municipal Airport. For commercial air travel, the nearest airport is Manchester-Boston Regional Airport, located 23 miles to the south. Passenger rail service to Concord ended in 1981, though the city was historically served by the Boston and Maine Railroad. As we enter the town of Bow, we see signs marking 3/4 of a mile to the end of I-89. There's going to be one more exit before we hit the interchange with I-93. That's exit 1, providing access to the town of Bow and Logging Hill Road to the south, as well as South Street in Concord to the north. Once we pass the confused pickup truck driver on the shoulder here, we're going to dive over to the right and head for I-93 south, and this is where we'll conclude today's video. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for as little as $1 a month, you can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos as well as the occasional members-only video. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.